Renders of the Samsung Galaxy A27, which leaked last week, showed the smartphone in 3 colors and corroborated previous design leaks. Now, we are looking at the Galaxy A27 in a new color, which might be called Awesome Mint. The Galaxy A27 is expected to go official in H2 2026. Rumored to feature a 6.7-inch flat AMOLED panel with a 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rate, likely powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset with at least 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Triple setup with a 50MP main sensor, 8MP ultrawide, and 2MP macro. Upgraded 12MP selfie camera. Anticipated 5000 mAh battery with support for 25W or 45W fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy A27 5G is an upcoming mid-range smartphone expected to launch in late April or May 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.